In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com to create forms. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to get form functionality up and running by using Monday.com's built-in templates. If you collect requests, leads, feedback, or any kind of structured submissions, starting from a template keeps things consistent and saves a ton of setup time. First, look to the left side of your Monday.com workspace and find the plus sign icon on the sidebar. Click that icon to open the Creation menu, then choose Template Center. The Template Center is a library of ready-made boards and views designed for common workflows, including forms. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so the plus icon is visible. And if you don't see Template Center, your account permissions or plan might limit access. Once you're inside the Template Center, use the search bar and type the word Form. That single search will narrow the gallery to templates that either revolve around request intake or ship with a form view ready to go. You'll notice titles and short descriptions on each card. Scan those to understand the primary use case, whether it's IT requests, marketing briefs, event registrations, or general feedback. As you review the results, think about the information you need to capture and how your team will triage submissions. Look for templates that include clear fields like status, assignee, due date, and any specialized columns relevant to your process. If file uploads or contact details matter to you, make sure the description indicates they're supported. Choosing a close match now will reduce the tweaks you'll make later. When you find a good fit, click the template. Monday.com will open a detail page or preview that outlines what's included, often showing the board structure and, in many cases, how the associated form is laid out. Take a moment to read the overview so you know exactly what you're getting. This preview step helps confirm that the template aligns with your naming conventions, data types, and handoff flow. That's the essential flow. Open the Template Center from the plus icon, search for Form, and click a template that matches your needs. Starting from a template accelerates setup, promotes standardization across teams, and makes it easier to collect clean, actionable submissions from day one. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to build on a solid foundation as you configure the rest of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.